नित्यानंदेश्वर समारंभां नित्यानंदेश्वरी मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्तां वंदे गुरु परंपराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus TV, Sadhana TV, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. The city is sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, enriching temple Biddi, Oman Sivagangai, Tiruvanmiyur Chennai, Kuala Lumpur Palani, Hyderabad Guptakashi, Jorpati Nepal, Santiago Tiruvalavai, New York Varanasi, Toronto Kailasam, Winnipeg Canada, Singapore Singapuram, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, San Jose Madurai, Seattle Chidambaram, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Calgary Amarnath, Bangalore Hebbal, Nityananda Nagaramu Hyderabad, Adi Nityananda Dhyanapetham Avattipalayam, Oklahoma Somanatham, Ohio Prayag, St. Louis Tirumala. So with this, I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, the Nityanandotsava, 6th day celebrations where Sabdamurtis are gracing in the Vahanas, especially the Brahmotsava. Today, as the 6th day celebrations, Swamiji's Utsava Murti is decorated in the Leela of Pavalakundru Jnanodaya Anubhava, the enlightenment experience of Pavalakundru, sitting and meditating in the Pavalakundru and the enlightenment that is observed, that is celebrated by today's Alankara. You can see Murti sitting and meditating. This is one of the biggest achievement of this year. Wherever we are together for morning satsang. This is one of the biggest achievements. See, it is not a joke. Yesterday night, late night, I came back. 9 hours flight, 6 hours layover, and more than me traveling, all you guys were sitting and waiting in the cold close to 2 a.m. This morning we reached the ashram, everyone was there waiting to receive. Not only me, see, forget about me because traveling was lifestyle for me. But all the sannyasis, sannyasinis and the whole supporting team, because the moment I landed, the heat of the whole Bangalore went up. Especially heat of the ashramites for various reasons. Now they will have to start running, start doing so many things, and the birthday celebrations, everything. With all that, next day again, when it comes to satsang, everyone is here. I tell you, this itself is a great achievement. Continuously. See, coming up to the level of my perfection naturally will take time, but even what we have done this whole year is amazing. This celebration, I can say this year Jayanti celebration is the essence of what we have achieved so far. So every department, in every field, what we have explored, what we have contributed to the world, for what we have trained ourselves and others. The whole thing is now presented to the world. Actually, the essence of this whole year satsang is enriching. Our ability to enrich people has increased multifold. Our ability to increase the intelligence of the people, commitment of the people, skills of the people. Yesterday night, 11 o'clock when I landed in the airport, I am seeing such large number of devotees in the Bangalore Sangha. My blessings to you guys. I am very happy. Very soon, you guys can expect regularly me coming to Bangalore for satsang and free Kalpadar darshan. Understand? Every morning satsang and free Kalpadar darshan. Our ability to enrich has expanded, in a way exploded. Now people know why they are doing what they are doing. This knowledge, this is the essence of life of a successful being. Please understand, that makes you a successful being. And successful being is a person who knows why he is doing what he is doing. Leader is a person who can constantly reinvent himself. Understand? Inventing something outside is easy. Ability to reinvent yourself constantly, exploring the landscapes of your own consciousness, exploring the landscapes of your own consciousness, the ability to explore the landscapes of your consciousness makes you leader. Ability to reinvent yourself continuously for the necessity of the people makes you leader. Understand? No leader is born. Be very clear. It is your ability to reinvent yourself that makes you a leader. Because constantly people's taste changes. If you are stuck with the old taste of the people, you are trying to use the old timetable of Indian Railways. Ability to constantly reinvent yourself makes you a leader. This whole year, I can say, through our satsangs, we all have reinvented ourselves. So many of different qualities we have reinvented in us. Somebody asked me, I think the associate director of the Nitya Dharmam show, he asked me, Swamiji, we are doing shows with so many celebrities, but you are the one never missed 1 minute for any of the shooting. How is it possible? I told him, integrity is nothing but the confidence we have on ourselves. Now when I look back, so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. This year, one of the biggest reinvention we have done is we invented our integrity as the whole Sangha. Not only me, as the whole Sangha. Now, clock means clock for us. See, just literally like how the clock is moving, our life is moving. Morning 7 o'clock, everyone knows you are here in the part of the satsang. 6 o'clock, you are there for Pada Puja. Time is 6 and you not being here doesn't happen. It's like a 6 o'clock sun rises. If suddenly someday sun forgot, based on the brahmachari swamis coming to Pada Puja, we can say 6 o'clock it is. It has become that clear. Now, of course, sun is not going to forget, don't worry. He is there morning itself having darshan. Understand? No one has any dilemma, doubt. Actually, nowadays people even forgot that there can be other alternative. Because integrity has become so part of us, 6 o'clock means 6 o'clock, that's all. There is no alternative 6-1. There is no alternative 6-2. No. Which is one of the greatest thing. It is not just me. Please understand. I am not talking about me. I am talking about all of us. It is not only me or Bidgi. All over the world. I have never seen San Jose delay 1 minute or Oman, Sri Priyan and Pranava 1 minute late, or Oklahoma, all the centers. There are some centers not even 1 day they are off. At least some 25 centers not even 1 day holiday. Their attendance is more than me because I took 21 days holiday in this whole year. What kind of a integrity? Like a whole Sangha took the plunge and we reinvented our confidence on ourselves. Nowadays we don't even struggle with integrity. You all need to know long ago, once upon a time, 365 days before, we all used to have this problem. 6 means 6:10, screen will open, 6:15, one by one people will walk in, class 8:30 means around 8:45, Swamiji will come, then we will run around catching few people from the restroom and kitchen. Now all that is forgotten. Not only forgiven story, forgotten story. Now Dhyanapeetham program means everyone knows. Program or satsang of Dhyanapeetham, everyone knows. The announced time, that's all. Screen opens at that time, over. This whole year, the essence, one of the important essence of the satsangs is not only the words I uttered, the timing we maintained, the integrity we maintained. I tell you, whatever may be your mood, wake up, freshen up, show up. This lifestyle will not allow depression to settle down as a bio-memory or muscle memory in you. Everyone goes through ups and downs, especially when you take big decisions in your life. When the transformation is happening, seed is dead, the sprout is happening. Everyone goes through. But if you are in a place where you have to wake up, freshen up, show up in spite of your moods, then you don't allow that depression to settle down in you as the muscle memory or bio-memory. If you take rest and miss integrity, it's okay, today my mood is not right, so I will not go to yoga, I will not go to Pada Puja, I will not go to satsang. Then the depression naturally gets into your muscle memory, bio-memory, and destroys your whole life. But if you stand with integrity, even depression can't touch you. What a beautiful reinvention we have done about us with this one tattva integrity, the whole quality of our Sangha has gone up. Of course, still we have to catch up a lot with integrity. It's not that we won the game of integrity. Still we have to do a lot, but we have done a lot for the time we took. It's only 365 days now. We have aligned ourselves to the clock. We have reinvented our confidence over us. I have seen Naga sadhus doing powerful, difficult practices, like keeping the one hand raised up like this for 12 years and not sleeping for 21 years, not lying down and sleeping at all, just standing. And sleeping, standing, holding a pillar or something. But the most difficult tapas is integrity. I tell you, a tapas which even many of the great tapasvis can't even imagine is integrity. You guys have achieved that. Not just by the words I am teaching, but by the lifestyle we have established. 6 o'clock means 6 o'clock, that's all. All over the world the screen opens. 7 o'clock means 7 o'clock, that's all. All over the world screen opens. Integrity, one of the greatest reinvention we have done about us this year. It is not just a message or a teaching or an information. It is a reinvention of ourselves. It is the grace of the divine. Reinvented ourselves in so many ways. I can see this time especially. The moment I entered the Bidadi, I know all gods and goddesses are here celebrating the Nityanandotsava. Every day these Gurukul kids are reporting miracles. Today morning the Pujari, the Gurukul Brahmachari comes and tells me, Swamiji, we were doing Abhishekam to the Nityanandeshwara Linga, main deity. Suddenly, large quantity kumkum materialized and they cleaned. They saw on my Utsav Murti, large quantity of vibhuti materialized. Then again after cleaning, again the more kumkum getting materialized. It's not small, large quantity where they collected and brought it. I blessed it. All of you can have prasad, that much of quantity. It has come. And not only that, Gurukul kids have even taken photographs. You can all see the photographs. Yes, you can see the quantity materialized. I asked Gurukul kids, the Krama Brahmacharis, hey, did you guys put it? They said, no, Swamiji. Did you think some other Gurukul kids have put it? No. Or did it fall from anywhere? They said, nothing, Swamiji, really it got materialized. I can't believe because the energy is so high in the whole zone. You guys can see the amount of kumkum materialized on Anandeshwara Linga, Nityanandeshwara Linga, and after cleaning up again, actually this is on my Murti. On the feet, the vibhuti was getting materialized, and they were reporting even after cleaning, again on the Shivalinga, as the kumkum was materializing. All right. One thing I can be sure, all the energies, gods, goddesses, Sarvadeva Devis are here to celebrate the whole Brahmotsava. Let us all celebrate along with them. Essence of this whole year's satsang, one of the important essence is reinventing ourselves. Through integrity, we have done it. I'll continue to share the essence of the satsangs in next few days also. Now, just a few minutes mirroring the cosmic super brain neuron activities in you. Close your eyes. Just sit in Upanishad with Master. Namah Shivaya.
Nityanandaya Namah Om Hrim 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 Nityanandaya Namah Om. Nityanandaya Namah Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namah Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namah Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namah Om Hrim Nityanandaya Namah Om. Nityanandaya Namah
I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠಂ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ್, ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ರೋಡ್, ಬಿಡದಿ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 08027279999, www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation.